Relay Underwriter was developed for Ireland's underwriting community, those MGAs and underwriters who are distributing products to our brokers, the Relay brokers, and also other brokers using other applications. It has evolved more recently to support all our lines of business in terms of private motor, household and commercial vehicle, and provides a very automated solution for the distribution of those products for any underwriter wanting to come to the Irish market.
Footprint Underwriting is a managing general agent who launched in the Irish market in May 2014. We contacted Relay regards the distribution to the broker market and decided to go with Relay to build our back office system. We only deal with Relay brokers. We chose Relay because of the access to the broker market and the sophistication and functionality of their system. We decided to build a Relay back office system with Relay specifically because of the functionality that's built in and the real-time acceptance to manage the transactions on a daily basis. Yeah, I'd highly recommend Relay Underwriting as a system because it gives as an MGA, the full focus of the system itself, the back office capability, the reporting functionality and the ability to see the policies coming through on an immediate basis, the real-time acceptance and the actual ability to link Polaris into it from a rating perspective is superb. Yeah, the support team are brilliant. Whenever we get any queries in from the brokers, they're always on hand, deal with things fast, efficient and get back to us with any immediate concerns. Because we use the Relay broker system in conjunction with our Relay Underwriter system, it's one system to another. So that means there's no lost EDI messages. So the broker, because it's real-time acceptance, we can see our system and the policy shows on our system immediately. So that means we can always answer the queries to the brokers because we have sight of what's actually on the screen. Because of the functionality, we don't have to wait 3 to 4 days to load the EDI message onto the system, and that's one of the best pieces about the software that we built for Relay. It gives us that transparency straight away to see what the broker sees on their system. The functionality that's built into the real-time acceptance means that we can discuss the case with the broker straight away. We see that in real time on our system, so there's no waiting for the EDI message to be populated onto our system before we can see the case. That means the broker can ring us up with a query the minute that they transact that policy, either from quote stage to new business or if they're doing an MTA. And that just gives us the overall sight of the policy to work with the brokers better. The other part of it is the authorization code process, where we can allocate an authorization code through the system, even via our iPads if we're out on the road. And that actually gives us total control to work where we want and when we want. Relay was definitely the right decision for us. The system, the functionality of the Relay broker system is unique. We've created a system where we've got real-time acceptance, and that means that we can see the policy appearing on our system immediately without having to wait to load the EDI messages. And that gives us a unique position in the market to speak to our brokers directly about a case as it happens. I think over the next 5 to 10 years our relationship with Relay will grow, and we look to bring on some new products, full cycle EDI on home insurance and commercial vehicle via the ComQuote system, and also developing a second product for private car. Everything would still go through our back office system on Relay, which we're perfectly happy with. Our relationship with Relay has been great since the outset, since scoping the product and the project first of all. It's been superb from the initial phases, working through the project, going live, and the full support that they've given us since we've been live. I couldn't think of a better partner to have partnered up with. Implementation project was really good. We worked well, a couple of visits up to Belfast, Relay down to us in Dublin, and working through the project phase by phase from initiation to go live. And the support since has been brilliant. Any teething problems were sorted out quickly and efficiently, and the broker now has a fantastic system to place business with us. Very easy, very efficient, slick system. Gives us a competitive advantage in the marketplace.